Scrat!
Well, everything's tightened.
All that's done.
We finally got that done and taken care of. Bobby did the new, well, they cleaned up the fittings for the air injection stuff, so that's done.
All the
this
air
hose is
injection
on, ran to the booster into here. So we've got some nickel and dime stuff. We got to do some routing and some pinch and stuff like that. The normal that you would do for stuff like this. I was almost ready to do the belts, but then I looked at the time and went, okay, it's almost quitting time. I'm just gonna come back at it tomorrow morning, fresh, you know, no stress, no nothing. So we got the thermostat done and the housing and the gaskets cleaned up. All of this bolted back together finally. We got all the air injection stuff in and on. Hoses are done, crimped, fittings, sealed. We took out all the water pump bolts and resealed them so we don't have any issues of leaks.
Smog pump.
Smog pump behind you.
We're getting it set up right now.
So we got this cleaned up. Looks so much better.
Way good. Just got to get the hoses on it.
Yep, get that back in place so it's ready to go. And yeah, dude, that's so nice. So that'll get that taken care of. I'll get the pulleys on for here. Actually, let me get this on over
There
here.
you go. Slide that baby on there. You get the pulley on. Do the belts. We'll get the air injection kind of figured out.
That's what she said.
Mr. Burns is going to put this baby up in the air a little later and start on the exhaust.
Yes, sir.
Yep. Get that done and taken care of.
And the extra exhaust gaskets are on the way. I
Yep.
told them get them here by 4.
That's perfect.
That's perfect timing. You almost got the radiator ready, right?
Yep.
All right. Well, once
So
the
we've
belts
got
are in,
carb and gasket and filter and everything ready to go, but I'll probably put that on last.
yeah, I'll do the carb while you're doing other stuff probably tomorrow.
So we've got everything ready to go. Here's the fuel line. Fuel pumps in. Did we show you guys that here?
No, we didn't. We just talked about
I don't know
it.
if you can see that in there.
Yeah, I
See
kind
it in
of see
fuel.
it.
There we go.
There it
Fuel
is.
pumps in and on.
Nice.
And we did the heavy duty gasket, just to be on the safe side. So we're just kind of snugging everything up, making sure everything's in line like it's supposed to be. We'll get the smog pump on
Oh, yeah.
and get that taken care of.
I can actually probably pop that on before I leave.
Well, you have places you got to go, and
I have to leave in 15, and you have to leave in 3.
Yeah.
So, but I'll get that on.
We got a lot done today. I'm hoping by
Maybe we'll fire
later
it up.
tomorrow.
Fire it up before I leave tomorrow.
Yeah, we should be, knock on wood,
Close. If not running close.
damn close. If not Thursday, wait a minute, tomorrow's Wednesday. Yeah, so by Thursday-ish, we should have it done.
Yeah.
Should.
Yeah, this is Tuesday. We'll have it up and running. We got to put miles on it. We got to do driving. Oh, yeah. Cool. All right.
All right, and adios. Hasta mañana.
Taco burrito enchilada
Wait.
with queso.
PP.
Well,
PP,
yeah,
wee-wee?
this bathroom's right there.
Yeah, exactly.
That's poo-poo. Doo-doos.